हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स नॉट एन एंड, इट्स द बिगिनिंग। इस कोट के साथ मैं प्रसाद सर फ्रॉम एन इन्फिनिटी इन्फो सॉल्यूशन वेलकम यू ऑल फॉर दिस कंक्लूडिंग सेशन ऑफ दिस सीरीज। यस, इट्स अ कंक्लूडिंग सेशन। तो इस सेशन में बात करेंगे कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स दैट वी स्टडीड इन व्हाट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर syllabus, and the topics that we covered under your 5 units are the basics on data declarations, the operator and the expression, flow control, decision making loops followed by arrays and functions, right? Okay, so one by one अगर topic की बात करें तो basics and data declarations में we have seen like what are the historical aspects of programming language, their fundamentals, and then डेटा डिक्लेरेशन में हम लोगों ने देखा कि सी एंड सी प्लस प्लस के बेसिक टू टाइप्स ऑफ द डेटा, दैट इज प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी टाइप, एंड इनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए इन प्रोग्रामिंग वी डू यूज वेरिएबल्स। फिर वेरिएबल का लाइफ साइकिल देखा, रेंज ऑफ द डेटा टाइप्स देखा, all those concepts we cleared with the help of what programming aspects also. Next and more important topic is operators and expression evaluation. We started with a very basic form of operator, that is arithmetic operator, and advanced form of the operator, that is logical operators, that we have seen thoroughly along with their precedences and their rules of evaluations, right? Next to that, we discussed the flow control, which is a very important concept for your logic building as well as your technical tests, right? Under that, we have seen two topics, that is decision making as well as loops. And under the decision making, we have seen four aspects, that is if else, conditional operator, then switch, and in unconditional decision making, we have seen the go to statements, right? Then loops के बारे में discussion किया. Loops, there are three types of the loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop when we know exact number of iterations, while loop when we don't know number of iterations to be executed, and do while at least one iteration to be executed. So we enjoyed this decision making and loops with the various forms of the examples through the programming also, right? उसके बाद सबसे important and interesting and the entry into the data structure world, that is what arrays in programming, right? It's one of the secondary data type जहाँ पे आप homogeneous elements को group कर सकते हो, right? So collection of similar type of elements spanned across contiguous memory allocation, the concept we have seen as what arrays. फिर अरेज का लाइफ साइकिल देखा, उसका डिक्लेरेशन, इनिशियलाइजेशन एंड द यूज ऑफ द अरेज, एंड तब जाके पता चला कि हाउ वी कैन वर्क ऑन अरेज फॉर कीपिंग और ग्रुपिंग द सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ डेटा एलिमेंट्स। देन एक स्टेप आगे बढ़े एंड उसी केस में हम लोगों ने देखा कि मल्टी डायमेंशनल अरेज, दैट इज अरेज ऑफ अरेज भी हम लोग हैंडल कर सकते हैं, एंड हमारा फोकस था मैट्रिसेस के ऊपर, तो टू डायमेंशनल अरेज भी हम लोगों ने thoroughly देखा, उनका declaration, initialization as well as use, and followed by that most important entity that we have studied under this topic is strings in the programming, right? Okay, and we have seen like how the strings are represented. They are the arrays of character ended with a very special symbol known as null character, right? So string के various manipulation operations देखे, उनका programming language के through मिलने वाला support देखा, and we enjoyed string very thoroughly into this entire course, right? Followed by that last topic, that was function. Most important thing, because procedure oriented programming जो है C programming, उसमें the basic element of working is procedure, and procedures means functions, right? So function का real life analogy के साथ हम लोगों ने पहले अंडरस्टैंडिंग किया, फिर उसको सिंटैक्स में उतारा, एंड देन देखा उसका डिक्लेरेशन क्या है, उसके साथ डेफिनेशन क्या है, एंड फिर फंक्शन को कॉल कैसे करेंगे, राइट? एज वेल एज वी हैव सीन वेरियस टर्मिनोलॉजीज लाइक calling function, called function, actual parameter, formal parameter, scope of variable, followed by that types of the function, predefined function as well as user defined function. वहां पे एक preprocessor directive study किया, that is hash include also, right? After that we have seen function का most fundamental aspect, that is how the input parameter can be passed, what are the return type specification, and what are their कॉलिंग कन्वेंशंस में हम लोग दो चीजें देखे, वन इज कॉल बाय वैल्यूज एंड अदर वन इज call by references. And I mentioned at that time also, these are the two integral part of your interviews of programming languages, right? What is call by value, what is its drawback, and what is call by reference, what are their advantages over call by value. And तब जाके अपने लाइफ में पहली बार डिस्कशन आया, that is the pointer and a very amazing variable which is capable of holding the address of another variable into it. And फिर हम लोग मूव किए किसमें, call by references में. Followed by that, we have seen the method call stack or function call stack concept to reach to the recursion. And recursion, a very interesting and fundamental process of when the function is calling itself either directly or indirectly. फैक्टोरियल के कोड के साथ रिकर्शन को भी बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से हम लोगों ने क्लियर किया. एंड इसी टॉपिक में हम लोग आगे बढ़े एंड एक और टॉपिक देखा, दैट इज व्हाट, स्ट्रक्चर्स. एंड स्ट्रक्चर इज the collection of heterogeneous elements, and generally they are also spanned across contiguous memory allocation, right? So arrays के लिए homogeneous element का collection, structure में heterogeneous elements का collection, and हम लोगों ने प्रोग्राम किया जहां पे arrays of structures भी बनाया, right? Okay, so multiple entities हम लोगों ने क्लब भी किया, right? ये सारे टॉपिक देखते समय each and every topic I explained with the help of programming, and that is the only way to make it more and more crystal clear, right? Okay, so this is all the entire scope about your FPL subject, and I hope you must have understood all these topics in a very clear manner. So now, after this amazing series of fundamentals of programming language using C programming, my upcoming series are प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिस विद द क्वाड सीरीज. क्वाड इज क्वेश्चन अ डे, जहां पे आप अपने टेक्निकल स्किल्स को टेस्ट कर सकते हो अक्रॉस द क्वेश्चंस दैट अपीयर जनरली इन टेक्निकल टेस्ट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री टेस्ट, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट टू दैट डीप डाइव करेंगे पॉइंटर्स में सी एंड सी प्लस प्लस के, राइट? सो दैट विल बी अ वेरी अमेजिंग सीरीज टू वॉच. नेक्स्ट टू दैट पैटर्न बिल्डिंग, जो आपको बहुत इफिशियंट बनाएंगे फ्लो कंट्रोल में एंड लॉजिक डेवलपमेंट में. फॉलोड बाय दैट obviously your next semester subjects, get examination preparation, data structure and algorithm, and many more, right? So as an Infinity team, we do provide some genuine offline courses which goes on providing you 100% job assistance, and those courses are Java full stack development and data science and analytics using Python. Along with this, one more specialized course we do provide which gives you 100% job guarantee, and that is Tech Nihongo. अभी ये टेक निहोंगो क्या है? निहोंगो is a Japanese language and technical support we are providing along with the Japanese language. So a very unique name given to the course as टेक निहोंगो, right? जहां पे हम लोग कवर करते हैं जापानीज लैंग्वेज के दो सर्टिफिकेशंस, दैट आर N5 लेवल सर्टिफिकेशन एंड N4 लेवल सर्टिफिकेशन. And other than that, you can opt for technical skills either of Java full stack development or data science and analytics. So this is a very nice blend of technical skills plus Japanese language skills, which will make you capable of getting placed in IT industry either in Japan or across the globe. So this is a very genuine course that we do provide as a offline course, right? So last but not the least, if you like the contents of this FPL series, please go on commenting for the betterment. Your suggestions are most welcome so that we can make those modifications in all our upcoming series, right? अगर आपको ये सीरीज सही में अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज put a like and subscribe and share the channel to the all your connections, right? One more thing, according to YouTube statistics, 78% of our viewers are not our subscribers. This is a wrong thing, right? So if you do like the contents, please go on putting the like as well as please go on subscribing the channel, right? That will keep us motivated to bring new and very genuine series for your learning, right? And please go on sharing any new course you want in programming. We'll definitely come up with that course in the most genuine manner. That's it from my side. I hope you must have enjoyed this entire series. Thanks for the watching and thank you very much.